Good morning, guys. Alright, we're heading to another one. It's the same house, another man room than the last two episodes here. We got some same thing, sink, like it's a single sink this time, but it's a little bit different layout, cabinets, all the good stuff, and then you'll see when we get there. I done some work yesterday off camera. I'm putting up, tape and doing some caulking and some plastic and covering and stuff like that. So let's get there. It's 7:47 in the morning. So let's just get there and see what we can get done today. Beautiful morning, cold but beautiful. Alright, heading to Walmart here. I'm gonna get some tape. I'm gonna get some couple other things I need. I can't remember right offhand, but I know for sure tape. Let's get in here. Alright, let's see. I need some of this. Maybe some of that. Let's see it, and then we grab a Red Bull. Reason I ain't going to Lowe's, because where I live, the Lowe's is 30 minutes away or more. So, that's what I got to work with here in this small town. Alright, we're here. Homeowner just pulled in, but I painted these cabinets here a couple of years ago. All that looks good too. Held up good. There's a few little touch up here and there. Here's where I'm at now. Got this going. I just put y'all on time lapse because I won't be able to talk. There we go. And again, a 3-door. Alright, let's get going. Got everything covered, ready to go. Now we start spraying. got this side spray with primer. Box is a little bit tricky, but use that. I'm not having any tannins or anything. Yeah. Alright. Get her cleaned up and get this side started. Well, I got a sand and stuff over here, but yeah. Alright, we got all this done right here, and all the finished coat. Now we gotta get the doors done, so that's what we're gonna be doing next. But got everything looking smooth. I'm gonna touch up the wall paint too, so alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm here at my home, in my garage. I'm gonna spray these doors and drawers and stuff. So we're gonna start with sanding or cleaning with degrees on them, sanding them, fixing them up if there's any dents or anything, holes, and then we will prime and paint them. Appreciate you guys, following along if anybody has. Hope I've helped somebody out with a tip, trick, something, I don't know. Pretty standard, straightforward. But let's get into it. all this will go away. All that orange peel, look, it'll go away. Once it dries, it'll lay down like that one. And that one. See all that went away. All the orange peel looks. Right them. Alright guys, got this done. It's all wrapped up. You can see that they're all smooth. Looking good. You should all the let's put all the handles on. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one.